Hello everyone, again this is Akshay with the second project on IoT, that is bidirectional visitor counter. So let's come to it. In today's world, there are endless need for an automatic appliances. So with the increase in the standard of living, there is a sense of urgency for developing circuits that would ease the complexity of life. Many times we need to count or monitor the people, like visiting some places like conference hall, shopping mall, etc. So to provide the solution for this, I have implemented this project called Bidirectional Visitor Counter. The basic concept behind this project is to count the number of people entering the room and display the number of on the LCD. So what is Bidirectional Visitor Counter? As I said, it is a circuit which helps to count the number of people entering or leaving the room and displays the total count on the screen. If a person enters the room or shopping mall, the counter will be incremented, and if a person exits, the room counter will be decremented. So for implementation of the project, I have some requirements, and I have used first one is Arduino board, that is Arduino Uno, and PIR sensor. I have used two PIR sensors, 16:2 LCD display, a buzzer, LED that is red color with two, and potentiometer, resistor with 1 kilo ohm and resistor with 220 ohm, and breadboard with connecting wires. So these are the requirements I have used for the implementation. All this explanation I have explained in previous video, that is in my project 1. This is the circuit interface. I have connected one terminal of the sensor to anode terminals of LED and another terminal to the sensor to ground, and VCC of the Arduino the another one. So here is the code and the working is, if the people enter the room through PIR1 sensor and PIR2 sensor, the counter will be incremented and the number of the people will display on the LCD. When people exit through PIR2 and PIR1 sensor, the counter will decrement and the number of people will be displayed again on the LCD. This is a code. If anyone enters near the PIR1, it says visit has been started, and after entering to PIR2 sensor, the counter will increment here, and exiting, when it starts to exit from PIR2, it says exit has been started, and by entering to PIR1, again the counter will decrement here, and this is the simulation. We can see visitor counter is welcome. It says visit started, and entering to the PIR2 and says visitor is equal to 1, and again after for exiting, if I exit from this PIR2, it says this exit has been started, and we can see here exit started, and after leaving this, it makes buzzer sound and says visitors is equal to 0. Thank you. And applications. It is a low-cost system which can be used for counting purpose, and it is easy to use and can be used at anywhere like homes, shopping malls, and conference halls to check the number of person entering and exiting a secure place. And it can also be used in a home automation system. So thank you.